Welcome to our training on how to pass the Transparency Operational Performance Review, or OPR. Transparency protects your brand and customers from counterfeits by ensuring every unit shipped is authentic. In this video, we'll share how to complete Step 4 of the Transparency Onboarding process, which includes how to initiate OPR, follow tips for a successful OPR, and review results. Watch the rest of this video series in Seller University to learn how to complete each step. OPR is a checkpoint to verify that each transparency-enrolled ASIN meets Amazon's guidelines. This step helps ensure the signal we receive from scanning your products is strong enough to identify potential counterfeits, and that failed scans are not indicative of operational errors. Transparency protections aren't active until after these items pass OPR, so it's important to start the process as soon as you've begun labeling and shipping products. If you fulfill shipments yourself, you'll need to message your transparency contact to enable OPR. Otherwise, return to the Transparency portal, select Your Products, and click Manage OPR. Here you can initiate the OPR process and add authorized distributors for your enrolled products. Keep in mind that sellers you designate will also be part of the OPR process, and any unlabeled inventory they send may negatively impact your performance review. Select Download File and open the spreadsheet. Click the Instructions tab to learn how to complete the spreadsheet. Enter the required product information in each worksheet and select Save. Return to the Manage OPR page and click Choose File. Select the spreadsheet from your files and then select Upload. This will automatically submit your request to enable OPR for the enrolled products included in the spreadsheet. We'll send you an email after we've received your request. To check the status of your request, visit the OPR History section of the Manage Operational Performance Review OPR page. After we've enabled OPR, your product status will change from Enrolled to In OPR on the Code Requests page. Throughout OPR, we'll monitor your shipments to ensure that each unit features the correct transparency code. If you designated authorized distributors of these products when you initiated OPR, we'll notify them that they must apply a transparency code to every unit they ship. After they're notified, these distributors will have 30 days to follow the transparency requirements. Any units they ship after these 30 days must have a transparency code to pass scans at Amazon's fulfillment centers. Third-party sellers not designated as authorized distributors during the OPR invitation process may continue to ship and sell products during OPR. However, transparency checks are enabled after your product reaches protected status. We'll notify impacted resellers of each ASIN's transparency enrollment on your behalf if they have an active offer against that ASIN. This notification will include information about new requirements and the date they'll need to ensure each unit they ship features a valid transparency code. After transparency protections are enabled, we'll send an additional notification to sellers who fulfill orders themselves, noting they have 14 calendar days to upload transparency codes. If they're unable to do so, their listings will be removed from the Amazon store. If you ship products yourself, you'll need to provide a transparency code to list or fulfill orders. You and resellers associated with your brand will now see the blue transparency badge on the Manage Orders page in Seller Central when you receive an order for a transparency-enrolled ASIN. To access the Manage Orders page, open the Seller Central main menu, hover over Orders, and select Manage Orders. Continue through the order fulfillment workflow as you normally would. When you reach the step to confirm the shipment, you must provide the item's unique transparency code. We'll begin monitoring all enrolled products after you confirm their shipments. This process includes checking each product for a valid 2D code. Amazon may determine a code is invalid for one of the following reasons. A transparency code is not provided for a transparency enrolled unit. The code doesn't match the ASIN it's associated with. The same code is provided for more than one unit. The code is incorrectly formatted. These same factors are reviewed whether you confirm shipments in Seller Central for orders you fulfill yourself or have items sent to fulfillment centers for FBA. You and resellers who you associate with your brand will have 30 days to sell through any existing unlabeled inventory. This is known as the sell-through period. You should use this time to implement the new labeling system and ensure you're meeting transparency requirements. This will help avoid operational disruptions. Return to the Transparency portal to track OPR status and performance. Go to Reports and select OPR Report to see scan results for each of your products while they're in OPR. On the designated sell-through date, we'll activate transparency protections for your enrolled products after verifying they meet the transparency labeling criteria. You'll need to pass OPR with a 98% success rate for this to take place. The status of your product will change from in OPR to protected on the Code Requests page. From this point forward, all transparency enrolled items must include a valid transparency code, regardless of who sells, distributes, or fulfills them. If your brand doesn't pass OPR, the ASIN will remain in OPR until it's successful. You can also work with your transparency contact to turn off OPR until you're able to address outstanding issues. To pass OPR and move your product to protected status, you should investigate the errors flagged by Amazon, identify their root causes, and adjust your process or tools as necessary. Remember to train your employees and help them understand the importance of having the correct transparency code on each unit. If Amazon receives units without transparency codes correctly applied to them, they're set aside for investigation of potential counterfeit. This concludes our training on how to pass the OPR. Search Transparency Step 5, Activate and Manage Transparency Protections in Seller University to continue watching this onboarding video series. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.